Hi, everyone. I'm thrilled to welcome you to Polaris MEP's third annual Manufacturing Day event. Of course, I wish I could be home in Rhode Island celebrating with you in person, but I'm so pleased to be here virtually. Here at the Commerce Department, we know that hands-on learning opportunities are some of the best ways to prepare young people for careers of the future. And it's more important than it ever has been to build a diverse and skilled workforce. The Biden administration's Investing in America agenda is creating hundreds of thousands of new jobs, especially manufacturing jobs, in semiconductors and clean energy all across the country. And we need to make sure we have enough workers to fill these job openings. But we know if we don't act right now, we're going to have a shortage of 300,000 engineers and 90,000 technical workers by the end of the decade. We need to tap into new talent, like all of you, to fill these new high-quality, high-paying jobs. And that's why MEP and its centers like Polaris in Rhode Island are vital, so that young people have the chance to learn about good-paying, high-quality careers in industries of the future. I saw the great work of Polaris MEP firsthand when I was the governor, and I'm just thrilled that I've been able to continue to work closely with Polaris in my role as Commerce Secretary. So to the team at Polaris MEP, thank you. Thank you for your work to build partnerships between Rhode Island schools and manufacturers so that we can tap into the limitless potential of our young people and set them on a path to high-quality careers. And to the young people here, I hope you're having a great time and will take full advantage of everything Polaris has planned for you today. It's an awesome opportunity to learn something new and consider whether career in manufacturing is right for you. We're counting on you to power America in the decades ahead. Good luck and have a great session.